Hi guys, welcome back to my new tutorial video. So today I'm going to show you how to crochet a scarf for a winter season, okay? And you have to make a chain first, okay? Because I already make a chain, I already start making a scarf, but I will try to explain and I will try to show you how to crochet this, okay? So you can make a chains as much as you want, okay? You can make a large, you can make a sword, it's okay, but I already make a large one. The total number of chains is 200 chains, okay? I start from 200 chains and I make a single crochet, and then after that in the back loops I made a half double crochet, okay? So everyone, you can see right over here, this is how the scarf looking like, okay? My scarf is looking like this because I'm using two colors of yarn. This one is a black and this one is a blue, which one is a dark blue, okay? And when you are making two colors scarf, you have to change the color after making a two rows, okay? After making a 2 rows, you can just change the color, okay? So step by step we have to make this. And everyone, thinks time I'm making this, and please support me for more tutorials and more videos, okay? So now we will just get into the video. I will show you step by step process, okay everybody? So yeah, here is my scarf, and now we are going to start making a half double crochet. So for the materials, you need to bring some colors of yarn, okay? That's your own choice, it doesn't matter which color, okay? And I'm using the hook one is, this one is a 5mm, okay? 5mm hook, and you need a scissor, okay? Just one hook and one scissor, and you need a yarn. Okay, now I'm going to show you the tutorial for the scarf, okay? Okay guys, let's do this. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to change the color and how to make a half double crochet in the back loops, and how to rotate our work. When we rotate our work, we have to make a chaining of 1, okay? And after that you have to turn around your work and you have to make a half double crochet in the back loops only, okay? Right over here we are going to make a back loops half double crochet. Grab the yarn inside the hook, yarn and put to 1 2 3, yarn and put to 3 loops. We are going to repeat this until we reach the last part, okay? This one is a half double crochet, and we are just making a half double crochet, and I'm doing a loose one, okay? When you make a looser, I mean when you make a loose stitches, your pattern will be stretchable like this, okay? It's a stretchable, okay? It's comfortable to wear, and your work should be go faster, so you have to make that like this, okay? Grab the yarn and insert the hook, yarn and pull to 1 2 3 loops, yarn and pull to all loops. Now repeat the same thing until you reach the last part. And after that I will show you how to change the color. You can see right over here, first of all I make a chains, okay? I make a 200 chains, and after that I make a single crochet, and after that I started making a half double crochet like this. This one is a half double crochet, these all are half, okay? 1 2, this one is a 1 2 3 4 5 6. And you can make any rows, okay? Any number of rows, because that's your choice how longer you want to make, okay? And how thick you want to make. I'm going to repeat this. Okay, I will just meet you at the end. I'm just working in the back loops, not in the front loops, okay? how to change the color now. I mean the last stitches, and I'm going to make a half double crochet in the both side, okay, in the front and in the back loops. But this is a half double crochet, but I'm not going to yarn over and pull to all loops because we have to change the color at this time. And now I'm going to change the color, keep this back side, okay, and after that we have to change the color from here in yarn over and pull through all loops. And after this we will be making a chaining of 1, and you have to turn your work, and after that you have to make a half double crochet into the back loops only. So grab the yarn first and you have to make a half double crochet in the back loops. You have a 3, yarn over and pull to all, grab the yarn, you have to do this. So repeat this until you reach the last part, okay. This is all you have to know about a scarf, how to make a scarf, how to change the color when you are making a 2 colors of a scarf. And I'm going to repeat this. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my new tutorial video. And you can add some chains, half double crochet in every stitches. You can add some rows, okay, as much as you want. So for me, I'm going to add a little bit more rows, I mean 10 rows more, and it will be finished, okay. So for now, I'm going to leave and I have to say bye bye and see you in the next video. Happy crocheting. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay. So everyone, see you in the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now.